Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have another Stitch Fix box. If you're new to my channel and you liked this video, please hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. It really would be awesome. I'm a dork. So today, Stitch Fix, if you guys haven't tried Stitch Fix before, is a subscription styling service. You can get it as often or as little as you like. They send you 5 items for a $20 styling fee. That $20 goes towards whatever you keep from that box. If you haven't tried it before and you would like to, click on my referral link down below and you can get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 as well. So if you're interested, take a look. But they send you a styling note, which we will read first. And if you're, if you've been here before, I always look at what they send me. I go to the checkout tab and I peek at what they send me. Even though, I don't know if you guys always get yours sent FedEx. They used to do the actual mail, but it's like FedEx now. And it only takes a day to get here now. But I still can't wait just one day to look at what is being sent. Anyway, I'm very impatient. I gotta work on that in my new year here. Your style delivered. Hi Rachel, happy Fix Day. I loved watching your YouTube unboxing. Yay, hi Kristen. She's my new stylist. It was fun and so helpful to see your reaction to everything and how it fit. Now the pressure is on me for another buy 5. It is not on you, Kristen, because I can't afford another buy 5 right now. So no worries. I wasn't able to find a light wash high-rise pair of jeans, but I'm sending a pair by Can for you to try. Their rise measures about the same as the pair last time. Do you want me to keep an eye out for a pair with a higher rise? Yes. The higher the better. You have several pieces pinned to your Pinterest board with animal print, so I couldn't pass up sending you the pink clover top. I love pink clover. Pink clover brand is so soft. I do have an animal print top from pink clover already, which I think is like the exact pattern of that animal top. I can't think today. I have to go to work later. It's like 9:45 in the morning. I don't have a watch on. I don't know why I looked. And I start at noon today, so I gotta get myself together. Wear it with black pants to work and rock it with your jeans for an evening out. Cozy up in the Fortune and Ivy pullover. It has a trendy color block and is sure to keep you warm this winter. I can't wait for the unboxing. Have fun and let me know if you have any requests for next time. XO, Kristen. So thanks, Kristen. Let's take a look. Alright, so the first one, ooh, it is a pretty purple. Ooh, it's like got kind of holes in it, like this one does. I got this from Kohl's, which I'll show you later. So this is the Market and Spruce Rowan textured cotton pullover in purple. That's pretty. As I look at it off camera. Well, I still am on camera. But yeah, see how there's like the different textures in there? Has like a big solid block across the chest, which is good. And then the kind of holes there. So that's pretty. And this one is a pink clover. See, I do like this because it has the button back. I think that is so cute. And it has elbow patches too. Oh, that's so cute. But it's like, I think it's like the exact same pattern as one I already have from Pink Clover, which I'll show you when I try it on, I think. Ooh! Exclusive. So Pink Clover, Abby button back knit top in brown. So it's so soft. Got the elbow pads there. And little black cuffs on the sleeves. Kind of like a slight rounded hemline. So it's so soft. This one is really pretty too. So this is a cowl neck. There we go. It's that kind of like, this green is, I would say, more of a jewelry green than the other greens I have are kind of jewelry too. But it's coming off a little bit darker on camera. But it is kind of a brighter green. Let's see. But as you guys know, I get dark green stuff a lot. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn Tarlio brushed cowl neck knit top in dark green. So that is cute. And this is really, really soft too. And this has a rounded hemline as well, long sleeves. It has the little strings there. Really soft. And look at this one, you guys. That is cute with the different browns. That's pretty. This has a cowl neck as well. I do have a Colorblock top, and there's no way for you to know this, Kristen, because I got a Colorblock top from, I think, Cowl's that has like that kind of pattern where it goes down like that as well. Let's see, but there's no way for you to know that. Fortune and Ivy Katalin Chevron Colorblock cowl neck pullover in brown. So that is really pretty. Like, it's not super soft or anything because it is more of like a knit, but see that pretty knit? That's nice. And here we have the jeans. I requested a light wash pair of jeans from, these are Can. Stitch Fix. Can. Annalise Skinny Clean Jean in indigo. Ooh, look at that stretch, you guys. So no distressing. Ooh. It's kind of a cuffed bottom. But I think, let me see. You could roll it down though. You could roll it down and it looks like it has like a scissor hem, but I like cuffed jeans too. I think that's really cute. Look at that stretch. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get to trying them on. If anyone is interested, this is a top from Kohl's. I just got like a week or two ago because I have a shopping problem. And it's from Lauren Conrad. It has kind of like that balloon sleeve. A little bit cropped. So, yeah. Pretty cute for spring coming up. So here we have the first animal print top by Pink Clover. Has the really cute elbow patches. It does hit me at the elbow and the button back. And these buttons, you guys, I don't know if you can see. I'll show you maybe later. They're like wooden. They're so cute. And it's a faux back, so you don't have to worry about the buttons like coming apart. And it's so soft, but check this out. I have this one by Pink Clover as well. And as you can see, it is the same pattern. This one, the cool thing on them was like same sleeves. This one's a little worse for wear though, because I've had it and I've worn it a bunch. But this one had like the cool zippers on it. It's from like previous video, like way back in the day. Maybe September. So I don't think I can justify keeping this one because I have this one of the same pattern. But if you guys like this, request it. It is so soft. I really like it. I like the rounded hem. I think that one has more of like a straight across hem. But I like the rounded hem. It does look really good with like my work pants. And the elbow patches are super cute. Maybe that one will have an accident. And then I can get this one. No. Poor little clothing. I'm weird today. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry for being weird. That's just me. So this one's really cute. It's really soft. I really like it, Kristen. But I already have one of that same pattern. But yeah. And here we have this Chevron top by Fortune and Ivy. This is really cute too. I think it's a little bit long on me. But I really like the different colors, like the progression of the light to the cream to the brown to the dark brown. It's really cute. It's really like, you'd think it'd be kind of heavier because it's a knit, but it's actually pretty lightweight, so I don't think you would get too hot in it or anything. But let me show you the one I have that's also like a chevron that I got from Kohl's, I think. So this one is also a knit and also a chevron. And I think I just wore it yesterday to work. So how serendipitous. But yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be keeping this one either, even though it's really nice. I really like the cowl neck over just like this crew neck from Apartment 9 at Kohl's. But it's really cute. I think I like the sleeves a lot. Yeah, so a no to this one too, just because I have similar things. Hello friends. No. I just wanted to start off close because I wanted you to see the texture. So you can kind of see through this top part here. You can see my bra strap, and then like I have a cami underneath from wearing the other top. But I really love this color, Kristen. I'm not sure I love this top, but I love this color. I think it fits fine. It fits fine. I know it's Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce. So I know it's probably going to be a little pricier. But I like this color a lot. This is a maybe. This is like an easy one to wear to work. Or out of work, you know. Yeah, I really like this color. I think it's really nice color. It'd be good for spring too because it's not, again, a heavy sweater. It's just lightweight. You can really see through those holes though, so definitely wear a cami with this one. But I like the color a lot. Okay, here is our twofer. This is Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Had to think about it. And it's that green color. It's a little plain. I do really like the rounded hemline on it. I like the rounded hemline. It's so soft. Very, very soft. I like the cowl neck. I think I would like it more if it didn't have the strings. Maybe? No. No, so it's just a little too plain, I think, for me. But let's tuck it in. Let's look at the jeans. The jeans, I really like the wash. I like that there's no distressing because I have a lighter wash with distressing. Let's angle the camera down a bit. A little too much. Let's try that. Okay. Anyway, here are the jeans. So I think the rise is a little bit too mid-rise for me. I do like them a little more high rise, but I like there's just like a little bit of distressing right there. I like the cuffed bottom, but I think it's just too mid-rise for me. It goes like there. I mean, it hits like right at my belly button, and I might like it like just a little bit, like an inch higher. It's not bad, but I do like a little bit more of a high rise. So let's go over prices, friends, and we will see what's up. Okay, let's go over prices. I don't know why I grabbed my style card. I want my price sheet. Alrighty. So, this is fix number 33 for me. I don't know if she mentioned that in that, but the Market and Spruce Rowan textured cotton pullover in purple, $58. I kind of knew because like Market and Spruce is a little bit up there, but their stuff is really good quality. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. The Tarlio brush cowl neck in dark green, $38. So that's good. That's a good price. I like that. I like that price. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping that. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping anything in this box, which that's okay. Because I just kept everything from my last box, which was just like a week ago. And I have worn like everything from that box already. The blue top I got from my last box, if you haven't watched it, I'll put a card up here that you can click on to watch that. I still have the style card right here. This blue top I got in my last fix. If it'll focus in. The Vero Moda. It is so soft. I love it. I actually just bought it in that like shop tab on your app. I just bought it in mint green. Like if you check it throughout the day, every day, there will be different colors of some of the items you've already bought. So you can go in and be like, oh my god, I love that piece. I want another color. And I just did in mint green. So even though I'm not going to keep anything from this box, I have that coming and I'm so excited. I love it. And mint green is going to be perfect color for spring. Anyway, I digress. The next one is Fortune and Ivy, Katalin, Chevron, Colorblock, and Brown, $50. For that sweater, that is an awesome price because it was like, it wasn't heavy, it was kind of a lighter weight, but it was like dense, you know what I mean? Like it was a good quality sweater. $50. Can Annalise, skinny, clean jean, and indigo, $58. That's not bad for Stitch Fix jeans at all. Usually they're like $88, $98. And they were really stretchy. I just wish they were a little bit higher rise. And then Pink Clover, Abby button back knit top in brown, which is really the animal print, $44. So great price. My pick subtotal is $248. If you buy everything, it's 25% off. $62 off, so it'd be $186 for the whole box. That's not a bad price for that whole box. Unfortunately, there was just one or two things that didn't work out with each piece. But yeah. Does anybody have the shop your look option on your app where like it'll go on and you can see what you've purchased and then it has different options to go with it, kind of like your style card? I've seen some people have that. It's like in beta testing right now where you can like purchase things that go with your items. Does anybody have that, and have you bought anything from it? I am so jealous. I inquired about it. I'm like, I would really love that. But they're like, oh, it's just in testing right now. Hopefully soon. But I want it so bad, and I would be in so much trouble if I had that option because I'd be buying crud all the time. Anyway, this was today's Stitch Fix video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm a clapper. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And check out my other Stitch Fix videos if you want to see what I've gotten more recently. I think this is my third January Stitch Fix, which, I mean, February is just this weekend, so whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to go have some breakfast before I go to work, and I'll see you next time.